Hello friends, so in this video I am going to explain you about slice and splice. These are the two methods available in array in JavaScript. So we will see the difference between slice and splice. Although the spelling is very much similar, here just the P is missing, splice and slice. And also if we see in the dictionary, their meaning is also almost same. Slice means to cut into pieces. So a piece is called slice, like slice of breads. And a splice is also something to break something. A splice means break. So meaning is also similar, but there are some differences that we will see in this video. So let us start. In the video VS Code editor, already I have written the boilerplate code here and also included the script file, JavaScript file. So I will start working here in the script file and show you how to. Suppose we have the array of colors red, green, blue and cyan. Otherwise it is not necessary to have all the string values because JavaScript array is untyped array, so this one is also okay. Now suppose I want to apply slice on the colors. Slice can be used, even a splice can be used. So I will tell you the difference between them and how to use them. The first difference is slice is a immutable method. Immutable method means it is not going to modify your colors array. Means the array on which the slice is applied, it is not going to modify the colors. It will slice the array and return a new array, but original array will not be modified. This is the first important difference between a splice and slice. But if you apply a splice, then original array is modified as well as it returns a new array. But in this case, a new array is returned, but the original array is not modified. This is the first fundamental difference between a splice and slice. If someone asks you in the interview, what is the difference between a splice and slice methods of array in JavaScript, then you will say slice is a immutable method, but a splice is a mutable method. Okay? Now we see the syntax of these methods. If you put here the bracket, then you are getting the IntelliSense. A splice is taking two parameters, both parameters are optional, that's why you are getting a question mark. This question mark is telling that you can put here the number value here as the first parameter, another number as the second parameter. The first number is representing the start value and the second number is representing the end value. Another thing you have to keep in mind, they are representing the index value of the array. Suppose I am putting here 1, so it is representing the index value of this color. So if you look here in the index, so this is the 0 index and this is the 1 index. So it is telling, what is verbally it is telling? It is verbally telling, okay, go to the index 1 and slice then and thereafter. Means it will return all these elements from the array. This is the meaning of the slice. So if you check it, I put here the return value. Suppose I return array and check what it returns. I apply here CLG and check array. So in the console window, you press F12. So you are getting an array and it is returning what? Green, blue, cyan and 1. And length is 4. Why? Because it is starting from the 1 index and then and thereafter all the elements will be taken and returned by this. This is the array return. But if you look at the original array, then original array is remaining the same. Go and check it. So your numbers, not colors. So if you go and check, then your original array is remaining the same. It is not modified. So it is immutable method, slice. Okay. Another important thing, it is not necessary you have to put the parameter. Even without parameter, what it means? Because already I told start and end both are optional. So in this case, it is going to return the original array because it is not going to slice. Okay, go and check it. So it is returning the same array. But now suppose I put here 0. So it will start from the 0 index and return all the elements. So both are same. You put here 0 or you do not give the value, both are same. But suppose I put here 3. So it will go to the index 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. So it will go to the index 3 and then and thereafter all the elements will be returned by this slice. So this is the meaning of, I hope this is clear, from the index 3 to last. But if you are putting both the parameter, suppose you are putting both the parameter, then the condition is this will be the lower value and this another will be the higher value. Mind it. You should not write like this 4, 3. What you should write? You should write here the lower value and here the upper value. Suppose I am putting like this, then see what happens. Then you are getting not the value. Why you are not getting the value? Because this syntax is wrong. You have to put here the lower value and here the upper value. But on the contrary, on the opposite, suppose I put like this. So in this case, what is going to happen? It will start from the index 2 and up to the 4, but it will not include 4. Means the last index is not included. The last index is not included, but up to the index 3. Means what? It will go to index 2, 0, 1, 2. So blue has the index 2. Then it will move forward 0, 2, then it will 3 and it is 4. But 4 will not be included. What it will include? Blue and cyan. Go and check it. So blue and cyan is returned. So these are the two important facts you have to keep in mind. I repeat, I recap again. The first rule is slice is an immutable method of array. The second rule is all the parameters are optional. The third rule is you can give the parameters, but the first parameter must be lower than the second parameter. This is another rule. And the last rule is the second parameter is not included. Means it is not included means up to this value, up to the 4th index, but not including the 5th index. So like this, if you think, then you will be able to understand what I am saying. So slice is, this is the topic of slice, and I hope you understood it. And because their video is getting inside, so in the next video I will explain about the slice method. Okay.